but this is just a before. We got this crack here. Sticking out pretty good. It looks good sealed here. I don't see any issues. This is all looking really good. No cracks or anything along the wall side of it. We got this crack here that goes across. That I'm gonna take care of that too. And then we got this one here that goes across. That I'm gonna take care of that also. Everything else, obviously these ones here, that one, nothing down here, so, all right. This trim is moving quite a bit. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I'm gonna seal that anyways. It's got a crack going up it. The other side doesn't flex like that. So that's interesting. Yeah, I think we found what would be our source. It can go all the way through there, so the water just comes in, and especially at blowing rain, it would get right in there. It had a pretty bad crack in there. So I'm gonna probably say that's where it's coming from. So this is a technique I've already puttied it onto the wall. So now I'm just gonna go, I want to get some texture to it. And so I'm just going through and adding. Just some happy little clouds, as Bob Ross would say. So here we go. I'm just knocking them down. Just knocking them down. It looks pretty good. I can't even see where the crack was. You can see where this crack was coming down. It's completely hidden. There was a nasty one coming across here. There's a nasty crack coming across this way too. I'll take care of that as well. All done. And these are all the cracks that I could see. All in all, I think it turned out pretty good. Sealed this up a little bit.